Well, we've got the LS motor in. We're chasing a few gremlins right now. I've got a miss on number 5 cylinder, and I've got a lifter tick. I've got a miss on number 4 and number 8. Not exactly sure what's going on there. I do have an eBay harness. I did check the injector pulse. I do, with the Noid light, I do have injector pulse. I've checked the coils on this side and switched them around. I've taken the fuel injectors out and cleaned them and actually switched them around. Still the same 3 cylinders giving me problems. My LS power steering pump is working good with my old C10 steering box. I had to make a lower radiator hose. I used a stock radiator hose out of an 05 Sierra or Tahoe. I've got a tune in. I've eliminated the MAF right now, just doing speed density tune, just to get the thing where it will run. I want to make it run on all 8 cylinders, and then we'll worry about tuning. I need to insulate some wires. I need to adjust my shifter a little bit more. My park switch works fine. Everything works fine. And then I'll start on the interior. But that's where we're at with the C10 swap. I've kind of slowed down just a little bit. I've had the motor apart, put new intake gaskets in. I pulled that valve cover off once just to check everything. Everything looked like it was moving all right. So we're going to do some cleaning and some flushing and some checking and start round 2 of troubleshooting.